see a bridge which may or may not be a World Heritage Site. Up there is the mountain that we just climbed. Here's you. Morning at the rock garden, said to resemble a tiger cub taking her cub across the river. So I guess that means a tiger mother. Kyle and they put his in pot. I love how he looks so white.
I'll do this
Okay. Here, I'm gonna take the camera.
Oh, that little bitty hands.
Here, do another one.
Their hands are so little.
Their hands are so weird and little, right?
And they know what they want.
Here, I want to try if I can get one of them to pick it up with his foot.
He's not going to pick it up with his foot. He's just going to reach his hand out. How about this one? This one's got a very red vagina. I'm not going to... It's just his hand.
It doesn't rain too, Lauren. You're on video.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The sun's coming out a
Did
little.
we delete stuff? Do we have enough?
Can you tell that I'm waiting too? Baby, I'm waiting for you. I can tell that you're lonely.